is 680. Parang nag-uusok na yan, nasusunog yan. Grass fire kasi sobrang init. Nag-spark yung mga ito yung damo. You see that? It's a grass fire. init nung lupa, yung damo nasusunog. Mura ginatawag din grass fire. Nakita ninyo na ka ng smoke na murag ulap, panganod, usok na siya. Grass fire. Mauna diri pag summer. Gani ng problema ng mga fire department. How to contain that grass fire. Minsan pati ang forest nadadamay. Train. Yung train namin dito.
San Francisco.
Papuntang San Francisco.
Sa underpass water. Underpass
underpass.
It's like San Francisco.
Oh, Hesperian Boulevard na pala yan yun.
Yeah.
Take exit 16A, on right, to I-880 South.
Dugay-dugay good siya. Okay, we're exiting going. Bakit saan tayo punta yan?
80 na.
880?
Yeah.
Right onto California 84 West. Continue 8 miles on California 84 West.
8 miles pa?
Yeah.
ipadala lang sa imong bill. Magka toll gate ra mi dire kung naa ka magi ang bridge. Kana na siya. So may may tubig. So may bridge mo tong may toll gate. So nata diri karon sa Dumbarton Bridge. Kulit din na siya, dagat yan, no? Lake na siya lang?
Dagat na siya.
Ah, dagat?
Yeah. Oh, dagat oh. Tingin naman na nila.
Baho? At tumi sa Facebook headquarters. This way to going to Facebook headquarters in Menlo Park. Naalang na diri sa California.
Now bridge, approaching the bridge, the Barton Bridge,
Dumbarton.
Highway 84 West. San Francisco, somewhere over there.
You see that, guys? Ano na yan? That is San Francisco. San Francisco. Let's go back here. Wala makita.
Okay, finally we're here in the Facebook or Meta compound, and that's actually parking. That's my parking disabled. Actually, that's not mine. That's where I park my car. Napole parkingan, building 10. Dako kay nga compound. Tapos here, they have a bike. Anate po rent? Yeah, I think so. Mag-arkila kag bike din sa ilang compound. Ano bayad mo debit card, credit card. Then rentahan mo or makasuroy ka sa compound sa Meta or Facebook. Napuli mga parking with electric charging, mga electric car kano, Kia. Ano parking na Andre. Pero kami di namin usuri dito kay dako kayo ni. Okay, see you next. Okay, na sila sa way and Hilo Road. Nagtuta sa ako nila sa ilang logo.
Sa Meta logo.
Sa Meta logo. Yeah.
Proceed.
My bike. Alright. Let's go. Crossing. This is the way. Subay ka sa pedestrian. Let's go. Freeway na that freeway. And then let's go here. Wow.
We are in the front of it.
Niyan na tadiri sa dito sa Meta magpa-check. Here in unsa nga city ati sa company sa Fremont,
Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley, Fremont, California. Kuning highway ganina nga aming sudlan. And hello, Mita.
Hello, Mita.
Finally, we found you. Finally, we meet each other. Mita. How are you, Mita?
No, before it's Facebook yan.
Yeah.
Yung ganon.
Yeah, the thumb sign.
Now it's...
Okay, it's Mita. Alright, this is the highway. Oh, nice. Okay. This is the Facebook Mita compound.
This is a 43 acres daw yan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Really?
It's alam mo lang sa taas nila, meron silang garden doon
Yeah.
na may mga puno. Yung nag-design is yung architect ng sa Canada.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, ganito pala pag building 12.
There's a lot of bicycle if you want to tour. Oh no, yeah. Building 12. Ilan ka acres natin?
43.
43 acres? May mga monitor pa sila TV sa rest.
Tram stop. Yung mga empleyado nila siguro.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Parking. Empleyado nila din nagbabike.
Please drive to highlighted route.
You know.
This is the compound of
See? Oh, parking nila ito na yung mga electric charger.
May electric charger na.
Ganda na yung mga electric car. Dito.
Na-overdraw pa pala, oh. Ito. Oh, right there. Hindi natin ito napuntahan dati.
Ito na, kakoy naman ito rin ikuha.
Ang dami nilang empleyado, no?
Yeah, because
Look
there's
at that.
a lot of parking area.
Ang dami nilang parking area. Willow Road exit.
Kasi mo tingala mo wala nag-parking, it's Sunday today.
Today it's Sunday. That's why walang
Building
nag-parking.
16, no?
Kaya magandang maayo mag-add to diri. Suroy-suroy pag weekend kay wala yung opisina.
Kailan?
Kung weekdays,
Drive 0.3 miles. Then turn left on Network Circle.
Kailan dili ka kato silang shop because it's closed. That's it.
iba-ibang kulay. Maybe charging na sa building 18 na nga tayo.
Yeah. Sumasaan tani.
Building 18. There you go. Ito yata yung pinakaharapan niya eh.
Dire.
I think so. Pinakaharapan niya. Or baka doon sa may 1. Building 1.
Nita compound. Dito kasunod silang office kasi sarado.
Ilang shop.
The office is closed.
Their shop.
17.
Turn left on Network Circle. Then turn right.
This is the Meta headquarters in Menlo Park, California.
15. 15.
Sa building 15.
15 tayo.
Ano siya? Iba-ibang ano yan sila din. Iba-ibang
Iba-ibang functionality.
functionality. Kung halimbawa sa mga scanner,
Siguro, yeah.
dughan na empleyado with there, no?
I know.
Okay na.
Sige.
Okay guys.
Ay. Asinan ata na ito eh. Kaya ginapural man nilang ang tubig. Nagtuyo niya asin na naprana, puti-puti oh. That's a salt. Alright. Babaw na, babaw.
Ano yung salt yan?
Wala na. Sige na, okay na. Sige na na. Sige. Nabukid sa Oakland.
We are now in Oakland.
In Oakland. On the other side here is the airport. There.
Rental car.
Back road ba niya? Back road. Ang freeway to dito lapit sa may right. Traffic. So traffic. Ganda ng lake nila. It's a lake, right?
This is a lake. Saan ang lake niya, Suba?
It's a man-made lake.
No. Lake ito siya.
Parang Mokit sa Oakland. Canada, hindi kagabi puno. Nagsuga rin. Murag Christmas na sila din sa baba.
This is
Mabalay
Oakland.
na diyan baba. Ang balay na. Kami yung hindi kagabi kay makita ginuga kay there's a light. There's lots of lights. Mga street light, house light, Christmas light, flashlight, pang mga light. Name it.
Hindi ko nag-first practice ng car yan.
Yeah.
Practice driving.
Practice driving here in this area. Not so busy. And lots of space. Good space that you can you can do your driving.
Na ano, may dugsong-dugsong. Kunin yung American flag.
Central Alameda.
Alameda. Iwagayway ang bandila ng Amerika.
Ang Akbang Ani, San Francisco. Dagat naman na diya unahan. So yung dagat.